Hi friends, today we're sewing a half moon pillowcase cover. This was one of my first home decor sewing projects and it came out fantastic. Now here's the irony of the situation. I don't remember what I did.
You and me both, girl.
I know I installed an invisible zipper and I know I cut some pattern pieces, but I can't remember the specifics. So let's dive in and I'll show you step by step how to make a half moon pillow cover. Let's go! Step 1, measure the length of your bolster pillow and add 1 inch. Mine comes out to, I would say 22 inches long. So you can trace the outline of one of the ends of your pillow and add 1/2 inch of material for seam allowance. Use iron-on interfacing to add to all of your pieces. This is going to give the pillow a little more structure and will prevent wrinkling. My invisible zipper is 18 inches, so it's not going to quite cover the whole length of the pillow. If you have a zipper that has metal teeth, it's going to be a good idea to iron those teeth open. What that's going to do is it's going to allow you to get your needle as close to those metal teeth as possible. I didn't even have a zipper foot at that time, and look at how good that turned out. It's not quite invisible, but I'll take it. Now we're leveling up the game. I found this unique zipper roller foot at a thrift store. I think this is going to be a game changer. Let's see how she works. So here's how we're going to pin our invisible zipper. Zipper faces towards the right side of the fabric, and we're going to stitch right here next to the zipper tape, and the tape is aligned with our seam. It's nice to have a little cheat sheet. So this is how I sewed it the first time. Zipper would be facing down and tape gets aligned with the seam allowance, and then we're going to stitch right here. Let's take a look at what the zipper foot looks like. It's going to go right there, and now the needle is going to be able to hit right. It's about as close as that needle can get. Alright, let's sew down these zipper ends. Take a little peek. It's not perfect, but it works for me. I'm going to stitch the straight edge first, 1/2 inch seam allowance. And then we're going to pin and sew the curved edge. It's a little tricky. Let me walk you through it. So here's how this looks. Pretty good. All right, so we're going to line up the top, do some pinning, and then we're going to sew the curves. So we're just going to kind of pivot this. This is the trickiest part. Let's get a pin in there to line up that seam. Good. Here's what it looks like when you flip it and reverse it. Just got a few last pins to put in. Just gonna go nice and slow around the curves and avoid any puckers.
Puckers be tripping, yo.
It's not a bad idea to clip your curves. We got a pretty significant pucker over here. Here's the doggone culprit. That's where it's sewed through the pucker. See the stitch? Yeah. Let's fix it. How'll it look from the inside? Pretty good. You can trim your seam allowance and then do a zigzag stitch around the edge. We're going to be at 8 stitches per inch. I'm going to go to a stitch width of 5, and I'm going to move my needle position to the right for this zigzag stitch. And we're ready for the final review. Please like this video if it was helpful and subscribe if some of these videos might appeal to you as well. Let me know in the comments if you're a ride or die pioneer woman like myself. Happy sewing!